Monday through Friday, the Oregon Health Authority puts out a report on the COVID pandemic, which includes some information on the reported number of people who died. The past few days have been grim and included several people, 60 or younger. The state does not report their names, but gives them a number, which shows where they are on the growing list of the dead from the pandemic in Oregon. On September 11th, those 60 and younger came from Douglas and Lane and Tillamook County. On September 12th, they were from Douglas and Josephine, Lane and Marion counties. And on September 13th, they were from Klamath and Marion County. And yes, we did notice number 3476 was just 24 years old.
I scan those every day, and I do gasp when I see some of the ages of people who have died.
Dr. Jennifer Vines is the public health officer for Multnomah County and involved in all things COVID in the greater Portland metro area. She said advanced age is still the leading factor that will predict whether a COVID patient will die. But the Delta variant spreads so fast through various communities now that relative youth is not always enough, especially if they are not vaccinated.
But again, the risk of death is not zero in any age group. And I think just the sheer number of people being infected by the highly contagious Delta variant, it means it's finding its way into enough young people to find that person who is going to succumb to the infection.
And the OHA numbers bear that out. This report shows the number of people who died each week from COVID. The far left column is for those 29 and younger. It has a long line of mostly zeros until the week of August 1st, and then the deaths just keep coming. Since the pandemic began until August 1st, 11 people 29 and younger have died in Oregon from COVID. But in just the last 6 weeks, another 14 that age have died as the pandemic spreads its deadly path. In Northeast Portland, Pat Doris, KGW News.